Hey, honey.
Hey, you look relaxed today.
Yeah, I feel relaxed. It's a nice, quiet afternoon.
It really is. The sun is soft today, not too hot.
Mm-hmm. Days like this make me think about simple things.
Like what?
Like a picnic.
A picnic? That's funny. I was thinking the same thing.
Really?
Yeah, I was looking outside and I thought, this is a picnic day.
We think the same sometimes.
Sometimes, yes. So let's talk about picnics.
Okay, I like that idea.
Me too. Picnics are simple, but they feel special.
They do. Do you remember our last picnic?
The last one. Was it at the park near the lake?
Yes, that one, on a Saturday.
Oh, yes, I remember. The weather was nice, but a little windy.
Very windy.
The napkins kept flying away.
And the chips bag made that loud noise.
Crunch, crunch, crunch.
Yeah, but it was still a good day.
It was. I like eating outside. Food tastes better outside.
I agree. Even a simple sandwich tastes better.
Simple food is perfect for a picnic.
Yes. Simple food, simple time.
What food do you like to take on a picnic?
Thinking. I like sandwiches, turkey sandwiches,
Turkey sandwiches are good.
with cheese and lettuce.
And a little mustard?
Yes, a little mustard, not too much.
You always say not too much.
It's true. I like balance.
I like pasta salad for a picnic.
Oh, yeah. Your pasta salad is very good.
Thank you. It's easy to make.
What do you put in it?
Pasta, of course, then tomatoes, some cucumber, and a little cheese.
Sounds fresh.
It is fresh and light.
Light food is good when you sit outside.
Yes, heavy food makes me sleepy.
You get sleepy very fast.
That's true, especially after eating.
Do you remember the first picnic we had together?
The first one. That was a long time ago.
It was.
I think it was when we were dating.
Yes. Early days.
We were both nervous.
Very nervous.
You brought too much food.
I didn't know how much to bring.
We had food for maybe 10 people,
And it was just the two of us.
but it was sweet.
I wanted to be ready.
You were ready and kind.
We sat under a big tree.
Yes, a big old tree.
The shade was nice.
And the grass was soft.
We talked for hours
We did, about everything.
about work, about dreams,
About favorite movies.
and favorite food.
Food again.
Food is important.
Yes, it is.
What do you like most about a picnic?
I like the slow time.
Slow time?
Yes, no rush, no clock.
That's true.
You just sit, you eat, you talk.
And you listen.
Yes, you listen to people and to nature.
Birds, wind, leaves,
Sometimes kids playing.
sometimes dogs barking.
Yes, dogs are always there.
Do you like picnics more in summer or spring?
I think spring.
Why spring?
The weather is gentle, not too hot.
That's true.
And flowers are everywhere.
I like summer picnics.
Really? It's hot.
It is hot, but I like long days.
Long days are nice.
The sun stays longer.
That means more picnic time.
Exactly.
What about fall?
Fall picnics are beautiful.
The colors are amazing.
Red, yellow, orange.
And the air is cool.
I like cool air.
Me too. It feels fresh.
Winter picnics are hard,
Yes, too cold.
unless it's a very warm winter day.
That's rare.
Very rare.
Do you like to picnic in a park or near water?
Near water.
Me too. A lake or a river?
Water makes me calm.
Me too. I like to watch it move.
Do you remember that picnic by the river?
Oh, yes, the one with the ducks.
So many ducks.
They wanted our food.
They were very brave.
One duck came very close.
I was a little scared.
You moved back.
I did. Ducks can be loud.
And hungry.
Very hungry.
We shared a little bread.
Just a little.
The ducks were happy.
And then more ducks came.
Too many ducks.
Yes, too many.
Picnics are also good for families.
Yes, kids love picnics.
They can run and play.
They don't have to sit still.
That's important.
Do you remember picnics from your childhood?
Yes, my parents took us to picnics.
Where did you go?
Mostly parks, big parks.
What did you eat?
Hot dogs, chips, fruit.
Classic picnic food.
Very classic.
Did you play games?
Yes, we played catch.
With a ball?
Yes, a softball.
That sounds fun.
It was fun. Simple fun.
I remember picnics with my family too.
Really?
Yes, my mom loved picnics.
What did she bring?
Fried chicken.
Fried chicken at a picnic?
Yes, it was her thing.
That's funny.
It was very good.
I believe you.
We also had lemonade.
Fresh lemonade?
Yes, cold and sweet.
That sounds perfect.
Lemonade is great for picnics.
Yes, very refreshing.
Do you like to prepare for a picnic or keep it simple?
I like to prepare a little.
A little?
Yes, plan food, pack a blanket.
You like blankets.
I do. A soft blanket is important.
I just grab things and go.
I know.
Sometimes I forget things.
Like forks
Yes, forks.
or napkins.
Or drinks.
That's why we go together.
Teamwork.
Teamwork.
What about music at a picnic?
Soft music is nice.
Not loud music.
No, just light music.
Or no music at all.
Yes, nature sounds are enough.
Picnics are also good for talking.
Yes, deep talks.
And silly talks.
Very silly talks.
Like naming clouds.
Yes, you always do that.
That one looks like a dog.
And that one looks like a shoe.
A shoe cloud.
Picnics slow us down.
They do, and that's good.
Life is fast.
Very fast.
Picnics say, slow down.
Sit. Breathe.
Eat. Smile.
Smile.
That's nice. Do you think we should have a picnic soon?
I think so.
This weekend?
This weekend sounds good.
Saturday or Sunday?
Saturday.
Saturday is good.
Where should we go?
The park near our house.
The one with the big trees?
Yes, and the walking path.
I like that park.
Me too. It feels peaceful.
What should we bring?
Sandwiches,
Pasta salad.
fruit, maybe apples,
Apples are easy.
and cookies.
Cookies are a must.
Yes, a must.
Chocolate chip?
Of course.
Do you think we should invite friends?
Maybe next time.
Just us this time?
Yes, just us.
I like that.
Me too.
Quiet time.
Together time.
Picnics are about together time.
They are.
Even a short picnic is nice.
Yes, even 1 hour.
It doesn't have to be perfect.
No, just real.
Real food, real talk.
Real smiles. You know, picnics make memories.
They do.
Small memories, but strong.
I remember picnics more than fancy dinners.
Me too.
Fancy dinners are nice,
But picnics feel warm.
like home, but outside.
That's a good way to say it.
I'm glad we talked about this.
Me too.
It makes me happy.
It makes me smile.
So, Saturday picnic?
Saturday picnic.
Deal.
Deal.
I'll try not to forget the forks.
I'll remind you.
Thank you.
Always.
Okay, I'm excited now.
Me too. Very excited.
Picnics are simple joy.
Simple joy is the best joy.
Let's make more simple joy.
Yes, let's do that.